The following is a collection of pictures. I took most of these, indeed almost all of these, the best part of what must be more than 20 years ago now. At this time I had the unique opportunity of restoring an iconic vehicle of Fred's, his lovely Land Rover. Now there's been a lot of detailing and stories regarding this car, etc, etc, so I'm not going to bore you with that. But please enjoy the pictures. I hope the music is befitting, a little bit somber because yes, we've lost Fred, but also a little bit happier at the end because the great parties, the great characters, the great showman that he was. I hope this entertains a little bit. Please enjoy.